Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're excited to bring you a detailed unboxing and review of the HP newest 15.6-inch G8 business laptop. If you're on the lookout for a high-performance business laptop, this might just be the one for you. So, let's dive right in. Let's start by unboxing this beauty and see what HP has packed inside for us. As we open the box, the first thing we notice is the neat and secure packaging, ensuring the laptop's safety during transit. Inside, we find the HP newest 15.6-inch G8 business laptop itself, a sleek and elegant device in a sophisticated gray finish. Alongside the laptop, we have the power adapter, user manuals, and a pleasant surprise: a bundled 250GB portable SSD. This additional storage is perfect for backing up important files and carrying your data on the go. Taking a closer look at the laptop, the build quality is impressive. The 15.6-inch Full HD display offers vibrant colors and sharp details, making it ideal for both work and entertainment. The slim bezels provide an immersive viewing experience. The keyboard is comfortable to type on, with well-spaced keys that offer a satisfying tactile feedback. The touchpad is smooth and responsive, supporting multi-touch gestures seamlessly. Connectivity is a breeze with the HP G8 business laptop. On the sides, you'll find a variety of ports including USB Type-C, USB Type-A, HDMI, and an Ethernet port for wired internet connection. This makes it versatile for connecting to different devices and networks. Under the hood, this laptop is powered by the Intel Core i5-1135 G7 4-core processor, coupled with 16GB of RAM. This combination ensures smooth multitasking and efficient performance for demanding applications. The 1TB SSD storage provides ample space for all your files and ensures quick boot times and fast data access. Running on Windows 11 Pro, the HP G8 business laptop offers a modern and user-friendly interface, enhanced security features, and better productivity tools. Whether you're working on spreadsheets, presentations, or browsing the web, this laptop handles it all with ease. Battery life is another strong point, allowing you to work throughout the day without constantly needing to recharge. Its lightweight design makes it highly portable, perfect for professionals who are always on the move. To sum it up, the HP newest 15.6-inch G8 business laptop is a robust and versatile machine that caters to the needs of business professionals. With its powerful performance, ample storage, and sleek design, it's a great investment for your work needs. If you found this review helpful, make sure to give us a thumbs up, leave a comment, and subscribe to our channel for more tech reviews and unboxing videos. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Don't forget to follow us on our social media platforms for the latest updates and exclusive content. Links are in the description below. Have a great day.